Welcome to Teachers Tech. Today we are going to design this component in Catia. So first select part design and give OK. Then select XY plane and click sketch icon. Now first we are going to draw diameter 80 and radius 80 circles. So click circle icon. In the origin, draw the circle. Click this dimension constraint. Change the radius value to 80. Give OK. Then once again click the circle, same origin point. Now change the dimension to diameter, then enter diameter value as 80, give OK. Now we have drawn the next. We can move towards a 210 line. So click the line, same origin point, draw a vertical line. Again select the line, draw an inclined line, and now click dimension constraint and change the dimension to 210 mm. Give OK. Then again click constraint, dimension constraint, click vertical line and the inclined line. You will get angle. Now change the angle to 120 degree. Give OK. Okay. So now next you want to concentrate on diameter 40 and radius 40 circles. So in the end point, click the circle. Now this is the starting point. Now change the diameter 40. Give OK. Make another circle in the same point. Now change the dimension, make it as a radius and make it 40. Give OK. Okay. Next, we concentrate on this arc with radius 75 mm. So first you draw a circle which is tangent to that one. Okay. Now it is tangent to the smaller circle. Now click that circle, change its radius value. So radius is 75. Now it is fixed. Now I make it move it near the larger circle, and now select the both and click geometric constraint and select tangency and give OK. Okay. Now this you can move to the R180 arc. So here I'm going to select arc and I'm going to click any point which is tangent to that both circles. Okay. It should be tangent. Okay. Now you can remove that unwanted line which is extended there. This is quick trim icon. Click over there. It is removed. Okay. Now again change the dimension. Double click it. You will get radius 180 and give OK. Right. Now select this and this circle. Click geometric constraint. Select tangency. Give OK. Yes. Now you can use trim. Remove the unwanted lines, unwanted arcs. Sorry, all the lines, arcs, everything is removed. Okay. Next, now you can move the remove the lines also. This inclined line and vertical line also removed. Almost the diagram is over. Exit the sketch, and now you click the pad icon. By default it is 20, so give OK. Okay, now the component is ready. If you want, you can add material. Click that one, select metal and drag the aluminum to the component. Then give apply material and OK. You won't see material. Now you have to change this one to material shaded. Then you will get the material look. Yes. Next, we can see different views. So here the window is split into 4 and each one you can give it for different view. Now here I have chosen front view and below I have chosen top view. Here I am choosing side view. Here you can get the isometric view. I am going to hide the each plane to get a clear look. And now I can change to the, I have removed the material look and change to shaded one. This is a wireframe. Now I am come back to the normal one. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for watching.